So using the port for the Google Play Store, you look for the Netflix app, and I don't even have to type the whole word. I just typed NET and Bazinga, it comes up. So I click on Netflix, and see the black button there? That's the one you want, okay? Now I moved over to open, and I said, hey, wait a minute, I can install this on the other phone. And so I clicked down on, went to the install and did that. So then time clicks on. I close the Play Store because I've already installed it on the Chromebook. I go down, see the black button. There it is. Come here. Click that, and I've already got it on to the Atlas movie, and there it was downloaded. Okay, see there's play option and there's downloaded. Now the way I got there, close this and then close the movies. So when I first open up the Netflix, I go to movies, I scroll down. Oh, there's number 1. Atlas is a good movie, by the way, and click on that. And Bazinga, there's the download option right below the play button. So this is on the Google Pixelbook, and I think it's going to work for you. And if you're taking your time to enjoy a movie on the plane flight, there's your solution. It's a wrap.